Now, champions of the 2023-2024 Nigeria Professional Football League, Rangers International FC of Enugu returned to the cold city in grand style following a 2-1 defeat of Gombe United in their last match of the season at the Jos Stadium. In a carnival-like victory party held at the Okpara Square, Enugu City, thousands of supporters, former players and government officials gathered to celebrate the remarkable achievement.
The victorious squad arrived at the Okpara Square in their signature red and white luxurious bus, greeted by an ecstatic crowd of supporters. The fans shouting and running towards the bus in a celebratory frenzy, created an electrifying atmosphere. As the players and management team alighted from the bus, they made their way to the decorated podium holding the NPFL trophy high, the roaring of hundreds of supporters.
Very happy. It's a great achievement, and I love it.
1 billion times happy, and I know they will make it, and they will still make it more.
This marks the 8th Nigerian League title for the Flying Antelopes, solidifying their position as the second most successful club in the league's history, trailing only Enyimba FC of Aba, who hold 9 league titles. The victory comes after an 8-year wait and it is under the administration of Governor Peter Mba, a feat many consider significant and symbolic of a new era.
Look at His Excellency's manifesto. When you look at his statement of intent, it was clear what he wanted to do with sports in Enugu State.
I tell you for sure, for free today, Rangers will return Nigerian League, and then we'll make a statement in CAF Champions League.
Looking ahead, the Cathedral Boys will aim for continental glory next season in the Confederation of African Football Champions League. Their supporters are buzzing with excitement and high hopes for the future.